everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Naomi, and today's video you're going to be getting ready with me looking like this to this. I literally transformed myself into a baby girl because yeah, I don't want to go around looking like my problems. Okay, I want to look like I've got money, like money. That's the goal, you guys. So welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday today and I'm wishing you guys a happy Sunday. Right, so everything I'm going to be using, I mean all the makeup product I'll be using are from Zaroncosmetics, and I will leave all of them in the description box, and I'll also leave a link to their website if you're looking to shop any of the products. So yeah, let's go. So I like to take my skin prep very seriously before my makeup because I know for a fact that skin prep is one of the most important steps to makeup. I mean, if you get it right, it will make all the difference. And if you don't do it well, your makeup might break or start running, during the day, and we don't want that. All right. So the first thing I did after cleansing my skin, of course, my skin felt, squeaky clean and it was dry. I needed to put back some hydration, so I went in with the Zaron Perfect Finish to spray my face. Then I went in with the moisturizer to, moisturize my skin. And yes, because you're an oily girl, don't run away from moisture. You need to moisturize your skin. Just look for a moisturizer for your skin type, for oily skin, and your makeup is going to turn out a lot more better. Right, so after that I went in with the oil block mattifier, which is a great product. It's an essential for oily skin. I used that all over my face. I allowed it dry down completely. Then I went in with the oil free pore minimizer. That is also a great product. And now I'm just setting everything in with my loose setting powder from Rcma. I'm going to really press that all over my skin, and now I'm going to be using my foundation. This is one of the best foundation I have right now in my kit. Like, it should be a staple in every girl's kit, especially if you have like hyperpigmentation, acne, post-acne marks. This foundation gives a great coverage and it's oil free, so it's highly recommended for oily skin people, and maybe if you have normal to oily skin, you can also use it. It's full coverage, it's matte, which is something I like, and it doesn't transfer. This foundation is the truth, you guys. So with makeup, you want to keep blending, as in keep blending. Don't leave any harsh line unattended to, because by the time you set with powder, it's going to be very difficult for you to blend harsh lines out. So ensure that you do the work right. It's going to take you a little time, all right, but just do it. I mean, patience is key, really, because I'm sitting right here in front of my mirror and I'm not in a hurry. Like, I woke up pretty early to get ready for this party, so yeah, so I have a little time in my hands and I'm just taking my time to blend. And everything I blend with the brush, I go over with the beauty blender to further blend, cancel any harsh lines, and just keep blending. Blending is key. If you learn it, your makeup is going to look extra flawless. So off camera, I already did my brows and finish up with this skin work. I set the concealer with powder and some loose powder and also some pressed powder. Now I'm just using the face definer to contour the sides of my face, my forehead, and my nose. And I'm using this 4-in-1 brush from Zaroncosmetics. It's amazing. It's really, really soft. For eyeshadow, I'm using my eyeshadow primer from Benai, and I'm going to spread this all over my lid with my fingers and proceed to using this beautiful color on my crease. That eyeshadow palette is from Juviasplace. I think it's called the Afrique eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this pointy fluffy brush to just transfer that product directly on my crease. I'm going to go in back and forth and keep blending until I feel like I have enough pigment. Then I use another fluffy brush to sort of set the concealer underneath my brows and also use it to diffuse that line just before my brow bone. And I'm using this nude color from the Nubian eyeshadow palette from Juviasplace as well, and I'm using like a stapling brush to just press this product directly on my lid. Now after this, it's just going to be a lot of back and forth blending. I'll keep blending with the brown, go back in with the nude color on my lid, until I completely marry those two colors together and I'm satisfied with the pigment and how it looks. Then I'll leave it alone and proceed to finish my eye makeup. Up close, this is what my face is looking like. So beautiful. Now I'm doing my lips. I'm using my brow pencil as a lip liner because I just love how precise the pencil is, and I'm following up with some of my favorite lip pencils from Zaroncosmetics. I'm just going to blend. Then I will use a lip brush to blend all the lines because we don't want harsh lines, and I will just finish up with my lip makeup. I'll be right back. One of the many reasons I love Zaron products is because they are actually multi-purpose. They make things very, very easy for people to do their makeup. I mean, look at that 3-in-1 face definer. It has a bronzer, it has a contour powder, and also a powder to highlight. Like, that's everything you need just in one. So at this point, before I came back to do my lip gloss, I already went out to do some makeup for a client 2 people actually, and I tried to come back and finish up and then get ready for the party. So the bride is my friend, so she called me to come make up her mom and her sister. So I had to quickly rush to the hotel. It wasn't so far from the house, and now I'm back and getting ready with my bestie Imose to start getting ready for the party. Thank God I already started my makeup before time. If not, there would have been no time for me to even do anything. And at the same time, I also helped out my friend with her makeup. Yeah, so this is me 8 hours after, you guys. I'm back from the party. I vlogged that wedding. You guys are going, that wedding is lit. But let's talk about my face. Look at the time. It's literally to 9 p.m. and my face is looking like this. What? Like, I feel like the only thing that is like gone is my lips, but my skin still looks perfect. And I didn't blot my face at all while I was there. Like, this is my face since morning, and I'm showing you guys my dress. Guy, tell me that Zaro product is not the truth. Like, it's everything and more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.